Good morning, friends. In today's lecture, we will see TPS, that is Toyota Production System, from Unit 3. Unit 3 is your lean manufacturing. Okay, so here we will see the TPS, Toyota Production System. So to produce or manufacture something, there is be rule some rules or a system to for that production. Okay, so this system has a deciding effects on product quality, cost, and safety. Okay, so what is meant by a TPS? Okay, what is meant by TPS? So TPS is also known as JIT, just in time and Kanban system. Okay, and it is also known as lean manufacturing process. Okay, TPS is also known as lean manufacturing process. It is best manufacturing system in the world. Okay, this TPS, it is JIT based concept, and all the manufacturing industries are practicing it, are implementing this TPS. Okay, so and service industries are also using it in a customized way, right? So originally it was called a JIT production system, means which is also popularly known as lean manufacturing process. Okay, so TPS built by the founders of Toyota, that is Seiichi Toyota and his son Kiichiro Toyota, and one more is Taichi Ohno. Okay, these three members are the founders of Toyota. Okay, founders of TPS. Okay, so this is nothing but all about the TPS history, or what is meant by a TPS. So these are the goals of TPS. So achieving the these goals, what we have to do, that lowering the cost and eliminating mudas. Muda is nothing but your waste. Okay, so eliminating the waste, you can see the 3M. What is meant by 3M? 3M is nothing but, very first one is your muda, second one is muri, and third one is mura. Muda, muri, mura. Okay, these are the three types of waste. Okay, muda means no value added, muri means overburden, and mura means unevenness. Okay, so in detail we will see the one by one. Very first one is nothing but your muda. Muda is called as waste. Okay, so this process related to waste and work means that adds no value, right? ये प्रोसेस रिलेटेड है वैसे, एंड द वर्क, whatever work you are doing, that adds no value. Okay, this is your muda. And if an activity doesn't add value or directly supports one that add values, then it is unnecessary. Okay, and it should be eliminated. Okay, unnecessary things को eliminate करना है. Okay, this is nothing but your muda or waste. It is also called as waste. Okay, these are the types of mudas. That is first one is overproduction, transportation. In previous lecture we have seen these types of waste and types of mudas. Okay, first one is overproduction, transportation, inventory, wetting, processing, rework, and scrap, or you may call it as an defect, motion, and intellect. Okay, these are the types of mudas. Okay, so eliminating mudas, these are various steps how to eliminate mudas. Okay, so very first step to eliminate muda is to recognize it. Okay, हमें पहचानना होगा कि which are the unnecessary things, which are the waste, ऐसा हमें recognize करना पड़ेगा. Then TPS attempts to eliminate all form of muda, but pays special attention to muda of overproduction. Okay, Mood of over production lengths the lead time, and it is hindrance to flexibility. Okay, so producing larger amount than necessary, producing at a faster rate than necessary, this is the eliminating of the moodas. Okay, second one is mura. Mura is nothing but your inconsistency or unevenness or waste. Okay, so unevenness or waste as a result of fluctuating demand, whether from customer request or new services. Okay, so being added by an organization, this is nothing but your mura or inconsistency. Okay, and third one is your muri means unreasonableness. Muri means unreasonableness. Okay, overburden or waste due to trying to do too much. Okay, this relates to resource allocations and involve people's being asked to do too much, so time can be wasted as people switch task, और इवन लॉस मीन्स इसमें वो मोटिवेशन भी लूज़ करते हैं ड्यू टू बीन ओवर बर्डन. ओके, दिस इज़ नथिंग बट योर मूरी, MURI, मूरी और ओवर बर्डन और unreasonableness. Okay, these are the three types of waste which we had seen in detail. Okay, so in next we will see the pillar of TPS. The pillar of TPS. Okay, so basically from downside, you can see in this figure there is a stability. Okay, in stability there is three main products, that is visual management, standardized work, and third one is your hijunka, or you may call it as an level production. Okay, अपर स्टेबिलिटी के ऊपर आप देखेंगे कि ये जो लाइन है हिजुंका, स्टैंडर्डाइज वर्क एंड काइजन. काइजन मीन्स नथिंग बट योर विजुअल मैनेजमेंट. ओके, सो विजुअल काइजन में क्या करेंगे आप कि इम्प्लीमेंटिंग 5S काइजन और अदर मैनेजमेंट और अदर विजुअल मैनेजमेंट टूल्स. ओके, फॉर मेकिंग प्लांट विजुअल और कस्टमर्स, स्टेक होल्डर्स एंड वर्कर्स. ओके, तो ये आता है काइजन में. और स्टैंडर्डाइज वर्क में आता है आपका मीन ऑफ मेकिंग वर्क इन स्टैंडर्डाइज वे सो द आउटपुट शुड बी स्टैंडर्ड. ये है आपका स्टैंडर्डाइज वर्क. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज़ योर लेवल प्रोडक्शन, और यू इन जापानीज वर्ड, इट इज़ जापानीज वर्ड, you may call it as hijunka. It is also called as line balancing. Okay, this is nothing but your this below line. Above it there are two pillars of TPS house. First one is just in time and second one is judoka. So how to what is mean by just in time? The right part at the right time in the right amount you have to produce. Okay, so how you can produce this JIT? So there are some how to achieve this JIT. So there are some following steps, that is nothing but your first one is takt time, TAKT, takt time, that is means time time means which is divided based on customer demand. This is nothing but your takt time, or you may call it as an rhythm of manufacturing system. Okay, सो नेक्स्ट है आपका कंटिन्यूस फ्लो, दैट इज प्रोडक्ट शुड बी फ्लो इन अ कंटिन्यूस वे, should not be break or should not be have there any kind of gap. Okay, this is nothing but your continuous flow. Third one is your pool system. Okay, pool system which is also based on customer demand. And next one is your quick change over, that is SMED reducing, means setup time figure, means सेटअप टाइमिंग है जो आपका फिक्सचर्स और डाई सेटिंग का, वो 10 मिनट्स के अंदर वो सेट होना चाहिए. दिस इज़ नथिंग बट योर क्विक चेंज ओवर. ओके, दिस इज़ द सम these are the some points which achieves the JIT pillar of TPS house. Next one is your Jidoka. So Jidoka means what? Built in quality, make problems visible. Okay, so means इसमें क्या है जिडोका में कि प्रॉब्लम शुड केम ओके फ्रॉम द प्रोसेसेस, जो प्रोसेस करके आ रहा आपका पार्ट. ओके, पार्ट शुड बी केम ओके फ्रॉम द प्रोसेस, मीन्स जो पार्ट आ रहा आपका फ्रॉम वेरियस प्रोसेसेस के थ्रू, तो उसमें कुछ डिफेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट इज़ नथिंग बट योर जीरो का. तो वो पार्ट है वो वेल फिनिश एंड इट शुड बी अ ओके. ओके, सो इसका मतलब है जीरो का बिल्ट इन क्वालिटी and make problems visible. So how to achieve this pillar? There are some steps. So first one is automatic step. So automatic step है first, मीन्स जब भी प्रॉब्लम इन लाइन में प्रॉब्लम आएगा तो लाइन ऑटोमेटिकली स्टॉप होगी विदाउट एनी ह्यूमन इंटरप्रिटेशन. ओके, सो ये है आपका ऑटोमेटिक स्टेप. सेकेंड वन इज पर्सन मशीन सेपरेशन. person machine separation, in this case reducing human interpretation and making process self sufficient. ओके, प्रोसेस को सेल्फ सफिशिएंट बनाया जाता है इसमें. दिस इज़ नथिंग बट योर पर्सन मशीन सेपरेशन. थर्ड वन इज योर error proofing, which is also called as pokayoke or mistake proofing, right? So this is nothing but your error proofing. And next one is your in-station quality control. In-station quality control, in this case it is also known as inspection at source. Inspection at source. Okay, and next one is your solve root cause of problem, means root cause analysis, means 5 whys. Okay, you have to ask 5 times why. Okay, so not maybe compulsory 5 times, it may be of 3 times 2 times, but this root cause analysis is necessary. So these are the second pillar and its some elements of Jidoka. And above of it there is the final product you got, the goal or the aim you got, that is best quality, lowest cost, shortest lead time, best safety, high morale. In this case customers also customers as well as worker also happy in this case. Okay, so this is nothing but your TPS house and the pillars of the TPS house. Okay, so thank you. Next lecture we will see tomorrow.